the chain rule of the trigonometrical function. We have y is equals to sin x. Their derivative is what? Cos x. Now, first example, y is equals to sin 1 minus 3x. That is the term in place of x is 1 minus 3x. How can you differentiate it? So assuming it that will be the x. So derivative of y is dy dx. The derivative of sin x is cos x dy ds of x. That is x. That is x. So derivative of sin x is cos x dy ds of x. In place of x is 1 minus 3x. That is out of derivative, no change on it. Derivative of 1 is minus derivative of 3x by using dy ds of u minus v. Now the derivative of 1 is 0. 3 is out of derivative and derivative of x is what? 1. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 into cos 1 minus 3x. Next example, y is equals to root sin x. Find the derivative by the chain rule. The derivative of y is dy ds. We know that if that is the x, so the root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. So assuming it that will be the x, so the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x dy ds of x. In place of x is sin x. In place of x is sin x. So that is the derivative. So out of derivative 1 by 2 root sin x, no change. The derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. I repeat again. That value is saying is what? X. The root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So derivative of x in place of x is sin x. So we can differentiate the sin x is cos x. Next example, we have y is equals to sin cube x. We can write the in simplest form y is equals to sin x whole cube. That is the simplest form of it. That like a x to the power n pattern. So by chain rule, the derivative of y is dy dx. That is called, the term is x. In place of sin x is called x ki power 3. That means n x ki power n minus 1 dy ds of x. In place of x will be a sin x. That is the method of chain rule. So 3 sin x 3 minus 1 is 2. Derivative of sin x is cos x. That the meaning sin x whole square is sin square x. So the final answer is 3 sin square x into cos x. That is the pattern of the sin x.